12th letter of Hindi alphabet is Ah. Ah. No word begins with this letter. This letter either comes between a word or at the last of a word. But when it comes between a word or at the last of the word, this shape disappears. This letter can be, this letter is represented by only two dots. Two dots. For example, Ata. Ata. This is A, this is Ta, and these two dots represent Ah. Ata. So it's pronounced as Ata. Ata. Ata means so, therefore. Ata. So, therefore. Prata. 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 Prata means morning. Prata. Prata means morning. Prata means morning. Antata. Antata. Finally, in the end. Antata. Finally, in the end. Antata. Finally, or in the end. Swata. Swata. Swata means self. Swata means self. Ah. Ah. Ata. Ata. So, therefore. Ata. So, therefore. Prata. 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 Morning. Prata. Morning. Antata. Antata. Finally, in the end. Finally, in the end. And Swata. Swata. Self. Swata. Self. Swata. Self. Antata. Finally, in the end. Antata. Swata. Self. Swata. Self. Antata. Finally. In the end. Antata. Prata. 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 Morning. Ata. So, therefore. Ata. So, therefore. Ah. Ah.